Solve questions from Similarity. Now this question was from 2024, the recent one, and there is an issue with this question. The issue is that the measurements that are given for the diagram, the angles and the side lengths, in reality it's not possible to exactly get this diagram, so this cannot exist. Now because of that reason, um, some of the answers might vary, like you might get different answers for the same question. So the board will accept all the variations and give marks accordingly. Question is that in the given diagram, triangle ADB and ACB are two right angle triangles where these two angles are 90 degree. Then lot of side lengths are given. First, we need to prove that triangle APD is similar to triangle BPC. So this is fine, we can do that. So for the first part, looking into triangle APD and triangle BPC, where are these two triangles? APD is this triangle and we have BPC. We can see that both of the triangles have right angles, so I will say that angle ADP is equal to angle BCP is 90 degree. This is given to me. And also AC and BD are intersecting lines, so we will have a pair of vertically opposite angles. So I will say that angle APD is equal to angle BPC, which are vertically opposite angles. So therefore triangle APD must be similar to triangle BPC using AA similarity. Okay, then find the length of BD and PB. Where are these two lengths? Let me show it in the figure. They're asking the length of BD and what is BP. So if I find BD, I can just subtract 4.5 and that will be BP. Now BD is the side of the right angle triangle ADB. So I will say that in my right angle triangle ABD, the hypotenuse is AB. So AB square will be equal to AD square plus BD square. And this is Pythagoras theorem. Alright, and even the numbers are a common Pythagorean triplet, so I can easily find out. So anyway, AB square is 10 square, that is equal to 6 square plus BD square. So if I simplify and write, BD must be equal to 8 centimeter. Alright, so if BD is 8 centimeter, then the length of PB will be BD minus PD, which is 4.5. So that will be 3.5 centimeter. Alright, so we have found out these two lengths. Then the next sub part is asking to find the length of PA. So the issue will happen in this part where they're asking me to find what is the length of PA. So given that BD is 8 centimeter and BP is 3.5 centimeter, find PA. Now one thing is that PA is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle ADP. So if I look at my right angle triangle ADP, one possibility is that in triangle APD, AP square, the hypotenuse AP square will be AD square plus DP square. And if I do that calculation, I will get 6 square plus DP is 4.5, so 4.5 square. 6 square is 36, 4.5 square is 20.25, So this sum is 56.25. So AP square is 56.25. AP will be square root of that. And if you calculate the square root either by factorizing or by long division of square root, you will find AP is 7.5 centimeter. So this is one possible answer which will be accepted, the length of PA 7.5 centimeter, by applying Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle APD. But another possibility is also looking at the pair of similar triangles. We have already proven that APD is similar to BPC. So if I had applied that, so alternate method, method 2 for the same subpart is that since we have these pair of similar triangles, the ratio AP by BP is equal to PD by PC, and that is equal to AD by BC. These ratios must be equal, and let's say I'm interested in finding what is AP. Knowing that BP is 3.5, and we know AD and BC. Okay, AD is 6 and BC is 2.4. So if I look at this ratio, I will say that AP by 3.5 is equal to 6 by 2.4. Then AP will be 6 by 2.4 into 3.5. So if I do some simplification, I will get 5 times 3.5 is 17.5 by 2. I will get 8.75 centimeter. So the length of AP or PA can be either 8.75 centimeter by using similar triangles, or if I had used Pythagoras theorem, I get AP value as 7.5 centimeter. Both will be considered okay during evaluation. Then the last part is to find the ratio of areas of APD and BPC. So they have already been proven that they are similar, so I just need to write down the square of the ratios of corresponding sides. Now since there is a variation of AP, again it can have two possible answers, but if I want to avoid using AP, just by looking at, let's say, AD and BC, I will get one answer. But in case you were using the value of AP as 7.5, you will get another answer which should be acceptable. So let's say I am looking at only these values which are directly given in the question. AD is 6 and BC is 2.4. So looking at the similarity of triangles APD and BPC, so triangle APD similar to triangle BPC. So the ratio of sides AP or the ratio of the areas of triangles, area of triangle APD by area of triangle BPC must be equal to the ratio of sides AD by BC square. And the length of AD is 6 and BC is 2.4. So square of this, 6 by 2.4 is 5 by 2. So square of 5 by 2 is 25 by 4. And the question has asked me in the ratio format, so I will rewrite this as 25 is to 4. Now in case I wanted to use the other value of AP, which is 7.5, so then it is also same as AP by BP whole square. Then another possible answer could have been 7.5 divided by length of BP is given as 3.5, like we had found out earlier. So if I had taken this square, this will reduce to 15 by 7, and this is 225 by 49. So another possibility is 225 is 249. But if I had used the other value of AP, which is 8.75, 8.75 by 3.5 whole square again reduces to 5 by 2 whole square, which should be 25 by 4. So two possible answers, one is 25 is to 4, or this other ratio 225 is to 49. So in any case, if at all there is a discrepancy in the question in the board exam, you just need to attempt it whichever way that you feel is correct, and the marks will be given.